I'm going to give you a little tour of the environment here. So this is the new basement. That's kind of my lighting setup. Those of you who know me know that I used to be a fine art professional photographer back in the day when a guy could make a vague living at that. I'm in a, I don't know, you call this a daylight basement, I guess, kind of. Half basement. Very, very messy still. We still have a lot of things in storage. So this is some storage. Here's our downstairs washroom. Very poor remodel on this. Have lots of issues with things, like all stuff, right? Everybody just slaps it together. This is the basement. They've redone all the walls. Apparently there's a rat infestation, so they had to strip out all the walls. We found a couple dead rats in the wall. Here is another room. This is going to be kind of the family slash hibernation room. This is a very interesting chimney that they built. And we're going to take that all off and make a fire pit out and back. Huge yard. I'm not going to go out there. I'm going to go up my mother-in-law, Michiko Suzuki, and their family friend, Mr. Hirano, who's an electrician, have been here working on all sorts of stuff. Here we are coming up the stairs. Big house. And we're working on the kitchen right here. Just go and see what these guys are doing. We're living in the front room. And here they are, right here, having breakfast. Here's everybody, right? Here's all my special workers. Oh, Michiko, for just getting out of bed, you look fabulous. Oh, good. Here's our kitchen. We took out a door. This is what we've been working on. Here's a backyard. This backyard is fantastic. We had a deer here the other day, and a mama duck, 12 little ducks. And of course, it's a mess. 2 big willow trees. 3 apple trees. Used to have 4. We took one of those down. There's our cabinet laying down there. Yeah, that's our old flooring down there. Over here is all of our sheetrock that we pulled out. Potentially toxic, but I don't think so. There's the back door we removed. Beautiful deck. There's our dishwasher. There's our neighbors across the street. And here we are at 8:10, rush hour. Usually some eagles flying around. Not today. Anyway, that's what we got going on here. This is the project. Best of luck to us. Oh, they're talking about... Are you guys talking about the French door? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, perhaps there's a French door going in here. And Makoto is describing where it's going to go and how we have the... Hi. I'm pretending like I know. Oh, those move on there? Those slide? No, wait, do that again. Is that a grape you have in your hand? Yeah. Oh, can I have that? Thank you.